Want to take your art to the next level? These 10 supplies will change the way you create. If you're new here, I'm Devvarsh Jain, and today I'll be talking about the must-have art supplies for every artist. Quality sketchbook. You can't go wrong with a good sketchbook. It's your creative playground where all your ideas start. Number 2. Graphite pencils. A range of pencils from soft to dark. Trust me, they'll help you nail the perfect shading. A kneaded eraser can lighten areas and give you way more control. Number 4. Blending stumps. For smooth shading and blending effects, these are a game changer. Number 5. Micron pens. Whether it's for fine detailing or inking, these pens give you crisp, clean lines every time. Number 6. Acrylic paints. Fast drying, vibrant and versatile. Acrylics let you experiment without waiting forever for the paint to dry. Number 7. Paintbrush set. You need different sizes and shapes from detail work to broad strokes. A quality set will go a long way. Number 8. Palette knives. Not just for mixing colors. Palette knife gives you the unique textures and can add depth to your artwork. Number 9. Color palette. An essential for mixing colors. A good palette will help you control your shades and tones with ease. Number 10. To protect your finished pieces and give them that professional look, don't forget the varnish spray. Now, comment down on which topic do you want me to create a video on next. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with other artists, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating.